Feel good. Amen. I just thank the Lord for being here on tonight. And we had a great day. How many of you had communion on today? I see a lot of people in there, right? Amen. Isn't God a great God? It's a beautiful day. You wouldn't know that we had the days that we had, but it's a beautiful day. We have a lot to thank God for. If you don't know what God has done for you, just thank God for something that He has done for somebody else. Amen. Because He is still in the healing business. He is still in a miracle working business. God is still alive. Amen. And He is still on the throne. And we thank God for Him just giving me health and strength.